we divide it by 12. Why am I going through an hour and a half of traffic? Why do I have headquarters? Why do I need people all in the same place? And you start answering like this. You say, no, but of course I need people to come in at the same time so that we can interact. Oh, but why do they come in?
Think about the opposite of work. We many times think it's a company where we take away all of the boarding school aspects of this is when you arrive, this is how you dress. Say like this. 1. How do we find people? We go out and try and recruit people, and we'd say, when you come to us,